Okay, for number 16, it says sketch a graph. And they're saying that as you go towards 2, as you go towards 2, it goes towards infinity. I want to point out what that means. That means the limit as x approaches 2 from the left of f of x is infinity, and the limit as x approaches 2 from the right has to be equal to infinity as well. All right? So I'm going to point out I did that over here. This is the number 2. And what I know about over here, as I go from the left and right, it's bouncing off to infinity. So I got that part done. All right? Now, someone's going to say, what else do you want to do? I want the limit as x goes towards infinity of f of x to stream off to infinity. All right? I want to point out the behavior there is written over here. All right? That's going towards infinity. They also say the limit as x goes minus infinity of f of x is equal to infinity as well. So what is it indicating? This happened over here. Now someone says, I wonder what the connections are. Anything you want. So I'm going to put over here, this is one type of connection. And if I look at this over here, this is another type of connection over here. Now someone says, how'd you generate that graph? I did it with a computer. All right, what I do, I typed in something over here that would give me that graph with those behaviors. All right, so I want to point out, and I'll do it over here, the square root of x squared is actually the absolute value of x. So I'm going to say this is the absolute value of x, but then this thing has an effect on it. All right, now where's the effect that's going to be big? The effect's going to be big is when you're near this number 2. That's going to be a big effect. But once you go beyond that, believe it or not, these graphs here are going to look exactly like the absolute value of x. Let me just trace that in for you. That this graph over here and this side over here is going to look exactly like the absolute value of x. It's over here in this small neighborhood over here that things go kind of crazy. Thank you.